Top 10 Best Scenic Routes on a Trans-American Road Trip.
If you're new to Travel Wish feed, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful destinations we feature.
When it comes to the holidays, some people like to spend them soaking up the sun on the beach, while others prefer to embark on a one-in-a-lifetime road trip adventure. There's no doubt that America has got some of the best roads in the world. So today, we're going to explore the top 10 most beautiful roads in the United States that would make your road trip complete. Number 10. The Old Mine Road, New Jersey. Kicking off our list, we have the Old Mine Road located in New Jersey. It's one of the oldest roads in America, and it follows the shore of the Delaware River that cuts through the scenic Appalachian Mountains. Near that region, there's a spacious national recreation area called the Delaware Water Gap, and it measures over 70,000 acres of picturesque landscape. While you have the option to spend your holiday in this national treasure, the road trip up to the Delaware Water Gap will definitely make it worth the trip. The road has a history that dates back to the 17th century, and as you drive through the road, you can find signs of that history all along with it. Number 9. Million Dollar Highway, Colorado. If you're on a tight budget, the views that the Million Dollar Highway will offer are so much better than spending your holidays cooped up in a luxurious hotel room that costs thousands of dollars. Located in western Colorado, it's safe to consider this road trip an adventure for adrenaline seekers. The stretch of road, passing through the Uncompahgre Gorge and the Red Mountain Pass, is a bit on the narrow side. Additionally, there are no guardrails that can protect you from plummeting hundreds of miles off the edge. However, don't let that steer you away from this magnificent road trip. There are hundreds of large SUVs and RVs that have passed through this road safely, so you can too. Just be careful when you're driving and enjoy this one-of-a-lifetime trip. And like they always say, it's all about the journey and not the destination. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to support us by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on our amazing content. Number 8. Route 50, the Loneliest Road, Nevada. If you haven't already guessed, Route 50 is one of the most isolated roads in the United States, hence its name. While some people might find its seclusion from the rest of the country a bit eerie, there's no denying that there's a beauty behind the absence of civilization. In bustling cities, it's rare that you will find somewhere where you can have a quiet moment, and that's why Route 50 is your best option for some relaxation. The stretch of road passes through a couple of mountain ranges, a national park, small communities, and a reservoir where you can find a variety of different wildlife species. For hundreds of miles, all you can see along the road are endless valleys and mountain ranges. Whether you're looking for a place where you can de-stress or want to experience a road trip from a whole other perspective, then Route 50, nicknamed Nevada's loneliest road, is definitely the answer to all your problems. Number 7. The High Road to Taos, New Mexico. New Mexico has got its own kind of beauty, and the High Road to Taos is proof of that. The road, which is a 56-mile stretch, showcases the beauty of this state. You'll travel past mountainous terrains, deserts, forests, hoodoos, and rural towns. Those small towns have a rich culture, and they offer something unique that you can include in your plans. If you have some extra time, you can stop by one of those towns to visit a distinct historic adobe house, and can buy a traditional handcraft as a souvenir to remind you of this amazing trip. Number 6. The Kancamagus Highway, New Hampshire. If you've ever found yourself wondering where you should go during the fall season, we've got the perfect answer for you: the Kancamagus Highway. It's a beautiful scenic drive in New Hampshire and stretches over 35 miles. This highway is like a breath of fresh air in comparison to the rest of New Hampshire. You'll find yourself driving along the White Mountains National Forest, which during the fall, it will look as if it's decorated with red, yellow, and orange leaves. Views of the Rocky Gorge, the Swift River, White Mountains, and numerous waterfalls are also not to be missed. Number 5. The Pacific Coast Highway, California, Oregon, and Washington. You can't say that you've visited the whole country without taking a road trip along America's west coast. The Pacific Coast Highway is a long, breathtaking drive that passes through towns, cities, beaches, and parks. You'll need to dedicate a large amount of time to make sure you take this drive the right way. Be prepared with camping gear to spend the nights at camping sites falling asleep by the sound of the waves crashing against the sandy beaches. Of course, we can't end this without mentioning California's Big Sur especially. Although the rest of the East Coast Highway is more than amazing on its own, it pales in comparison to the Big Sur in terms of natural beauty. Number 4. Going to the Sun Road, Montana. Just by reading its name, you can probably tell that this is going to be one hell of a road trip. Yet there's nothing that can prepare you for what you're about to witness. The Going to the Sun Road is located in Glacier National Park, and it takes you through the most magnificent wilderness that the country has to offer. Measuring over 40 miles, the scenes that this road provides are nothing short of marvelous. You won't even believe that you can reach places like this by traveling in your car. The only downside to this road is the fact that it's tricky to navigate, even for experienced drivers. However, as we've mentioned before, make sure to take your time and drive slowly. Number 3. The Overseas Highway, Florida. This next road is unlike any roads that we've previously mentioned. While we've talked about roads that pass through forests, towns, and cities, this road is actually constructed over the ocean, hence its name, the Overseas Highway. It's a 107-mile stretch from Miami to Key West and offers a unique experience to any road tripper. There are sections of the road that pass through tropical savannas and above the gorgeous coral reefs. There are a couple of rest stops where you can stretch your legs and at the same time explore the magnificent Florida Keys. Number 2. Route 66, Illinois to California. Taking a trip on Route 66, which links Illinois to California, is like taking a trip down to the history of America. It's one of the oldest highways in the United States that have been placed by other highways. But Route 66 hasn't lost any of its charm and character despite that. Any road trip lover has to add this highway to their bucket list to visit it at least once in their lives. It's quite a long one, stretching over 244 miles. However, you don't need to drive along the entire road to appreciate its beauty. Number 1. Blue Ridge Parkway, Virginia and North Carolina. Dubbed as America's favorite drive, the Blue Ridge Parkway definitely takes the cake for being one of the best roads in the country. It combines Virginia, Cherokee, North Carolina, and Afton's charm in one. This road will take you through the mountainous terrain of the Appalachians that links Shenandoah National Park to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It covers more than 460 miles, and for this road, you'll need to dedicate a chunk of time to enjoy the beauty that it has to offer. Did you enjoy our video? Which other places do you think we should include in this list, and why? Let us know down in the comments section below.
If you enjoyed our video, kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new videos.